So today we're unboxing an iPad.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Today we're unboxing an iPad. A real iPad. And I need to go and get it. Ugh. We need to get up. We're going to go and collect the iPad. So we've got the iPad.
That's a new iPad.
And we're going to open it up. Was that a battery? What is this?
That's not there.
This silly iPad box doesn't even have an iPad in it. And the back, it feels heavier. Check what's inside. It's so cracked and broken. Why does Jago need a cracked iPad? What is this rubbish? Get out. What is this? Oh no, the candy cane fell off.